everybody.
White line, white line, white line, white line,
It's
white
Kim
line.
and Echo here, and I just got done eating. No, I'm not drunk. I swear to you, I'm underage, and my parents would get in serious trouble.
We don't know where she been.
Stop! You're not helping. We just got done eating at a Mexican restaurant. What was it?
Sir, we don't know her. She just climbed up in our trailblazer.
El Mayos.
What is the name of them?
Los Mayas.
Los Mayas.
Los Mayas. Oh.
No, Los Mayas. Because they got the S at the end.
Same thing.
M-A-Y-A-S. Los Mayas.
Potato. We just got done eating there because it's my dad's birthday.
Oh, 3 cars down here.
And he wanted to go to a Mexican restaurant, and I got the hiccups from a taco salad. And my mom ate the same thing as me, and she didn't have the hiccups.
Well,
Which is so unfair.
I know more.
Still,
I got a belly cramp.
Where-
I think it ain't gonna be good.
we're genetically combined. Shouldn't you get hiccups too?
No, you ate too much. That's why you got the hiccups. Plus the birthday dessert.
Well, the birthday dessert, I had to try it. It looks really good.
Alright, finish up, sweetheart.
Okay,
Finish
well,
up, sweetheart.
that's that.
Oh, I thought you was talking to me. I am here.
I'm gonna go and I'm gonna record another video on the way home. I don't know if I post it or not. Stay in school, don't do drugs. Cat-Tastic day, bye.